In front of me is Motorola Moto G77, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on this gear at the top of it. Then select voice typing here and make sure this switcher is blue, or in this case green. When you're ready, come back to your keyboard and tap on this icon of a microphone at the top right corner. Select while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. Quick tip, you can also turn on voice typing and then use tiny icon that will appear on the left of it. This one. Hit next. Select done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To access some available options, click on those three lines on the left. To move your toolbar, just hold it, drag it, and let go. To go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon, also on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!